Hello Thailand, this is Anne from Braemar College from Toronto, Canada. Braemar College is a private secondary high school. Our campus is located inside University of Toronto in downtown Toronto, and we offering the students from grade 9 to 12 with a long-term program, also short-term program for summer camp. Why you should study at Braemar College? We offering multiple options for the student, summer program, secondary program, pathway program, with helping the international student get into the college and University of Toronto. At Braemar College, we offering variety scholarship for the student. For any Thai student applying to Braemar College in this year, you can eligible to receive 5,000 Canadian dollar for your scholarship. For Thai student, if you are interested in Braemar College and would like to receive scholarship, go to Pacific Premier to apply today.